Hi there, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we are installing vinyl lattice panel skirting to give this deck a clean, low maintenance and durable finish. The project includes building the frame, using treated lumbers, mounting the vinyl lattice panels, adding trim moldings for a clean look, and installing a custom access door for easy underdeck storage. I'll be using exterior grade screws, construction adhesive, brad nails and hidden fasteners to make sure that everything is secure, weather resistant and built to last. Links for the materials can be found in the description below. If you find this video helpful, please make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, turn on your notifications so you don't miss any upcoming DIY and building projects. Let's get started. Lattice panels are very flexible, so they need to be supported with a strong frame on all four sides during installation. This corner doesn't have a post to support the lattice, so I'll be installing an L-shaped post made from 2x4 treated lumber to provide support on both sides of the deck corner. And I also added another post at this corner to support the end of the lattice panel. Deck posts support the left and right side of the lattice, but there is no support at the top and bottom. To fix this, we'll install horizontal framing at the top and bottom between the posts, attaching them directly to the post to fully support the lattice panels. First, I started using framing nails to install my frames, but later I found it much easier and more effective to use deck screws to install the framing instead of using regular nail gun. I'm going to build my door in that opening. It is 33-inch height, so I'm going to make my door frame 32.5. I'm gonna give 1/4 space at the bottom, 1/4 space at the top. I apply Stanley Turbo Fast Cure no-nail polyurethane adhesive to the back of the trims. Position them along the edges of the lattice boards, temporarily held them in place with a few brad nails each, and then fully secure them using 2 to 3 hidden fasteners per piece.
Boom.